something. Alam niyo ba yun? Sabayan niyo ako ha, kung alam niyo tong song na to. I will invite one here on stage. Sino ba alam? I love you then. Happy Valentine's. Anywhere I will follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Swallow my was over my head. I want nothing else. Saan ba? Stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love. Just starting to grow. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Love you. Anywhere I will follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I will swallow my pride. I will swallow my pride. Who's the one I'm gonna love? I'm saying goodbye. And I'm saying goodbye. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. And anywhere I will follow you. Oh, say something, I'm giving up on you. Ay, sorry po, pawis po ako. I love you po. I love you. I love you. Ay-ayatan ko ikaw. Tama ba? Tama? Ay-ayatan ko ikaw. Tama? So, I love you. Tama? So, ay-ayatan ko ikaw. Tama? So, I love you. Oh, my selfie. Oh, I love you po. Oh, you're so cool. Selfie. Makapag-selfie nga rin. Parang gano'n. Astig. Selfie. Nahiya ako. Wala akong cellphone. Astig, no? Now, this is gonna be one of my last songs. Ayun! Now, finally, may pang-selfie ako. So, everyone! Bago po ako matapos, selfie po tayo. Sana sa kanan! 1, 2, 3. Doon muna ako, Sige, dito muna! Mas energy! Dapat na yung energy! Hindi, kulang. Dapat may energy! Dapat mag-vitamin C. Di na kapag handa. 1, 2, 3! Yan! Kayo na ba? Sige! On the count of 3. 1, 2, sa gitna muna! Joke lang! May energy pa ba? Kulang. May energy pa ba? Selfie! 1, 2, 3! Kuya, may mas malaki naman palang camera doon, no? Kayo na ba? May energy ba? Kulang! May energy ba? Sige, selfie na nga. 1, totoo na po ito ah. 1, 2, 3! Wala na. Okay. Now, for my last song. Love you. Okay. Pwede bloody ho tayo, ha? Well, looky here, I want to get another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a moving too slowly, cause at the end of the night, it is you I'll be calling. I love you so. That's what you say. Tell me, baby, please don't go away. When I play, I never say to every girl that I need energy. Run away. Before I put my spell on you, you better get away, darling. Put me in the heart like a fire. Cause I love you so you better watch, baby. But when I play, I never say to every girl that I need energy. Run away. Before I put my spell on you, you better get away, darling. Wala na. Put it in the car and I come. Cause I know I'm a rebel song. So you better run away, baby. Dapat mo may energy, ah. Parang kunato, walang energy. Sa mga nasa kaliwa! Wala na! Sa nasa kanan! Nasa gitna! Governor, energy ah. Run away! Before I put my spell on you, energy! Better get away, darling! Energy! Thank you! Energy! Na! Masunog? Wala, joke lang. Love you! Ayayatin ko kayo! Tama ko, tama. Yun.
Alright!
Wow!
JC Labajo!
Evo!
Congrats! Galing mo, bro! Ayun, no? Dito tayo sa gitna, bro.
Sa'yo, Governor! Energy!
Dahil sobrang energy ang binigay mo sa taga-Nagilian.
May lasa ko to.
Wala yan. Siyempre,
Wala naman.
walang lasa niyan. Para sa'yo,
Gutom
safe
na
na
ako.
safe yan.
Now, bago po ako mawala ng energy.
Go! Tingin mo, bro.
Magbabasa.
Water. Tubig.
Joke.
Juice.
May energy pa tayo, di ba? Energy! Energy! Yun. Okay. Now, magpapasalamat po. Magpapasalamat po kay Governor Manuling Ortega, Vice Governor Aurelio Mise, Congressman Franny Eriguel. Sorry, teacher. Eriguel. Congressman Pacoy Ortega. Now, kay Mayor Bubot Flores. Sorry naman po. Bubot. Dami teacher, ha? Bubot Flores. Kay Vice Mayor Abe Rimando. Yes, tama. Yun. Kay Sangguniang Bayan members, Liga ng mga Barangay Board members, Superman, Wonder Woman. Yun. Kay Honorable, JJ Oros. Kuya, JJ Oros. Kay Ruperto Riliera. Tama. Thank you, teacher. Now, kay Rex Mosuela. Yay! Kay Nancy Bakurnay. Sorry naman po. Kay Mas Serunga. Kailangan ko na mag-I-class. Kay Victoria Aragon. Thank you. And last but definitely not the least, kay Robert Madalang. Tama! Kay Robert Madarang. Thank you po. Love you all.
Alright,
Sana
ladies and
namin ikaw
gentlemen.
tulungan eh.
Oo na, ikaw kaya mo eh.
Andiyan naman po sila.
Oo naman.
Thank you po.
Mga teachers dito.
Dami po.
Maraming salamat, JK. Nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? Gusto nyo bang kumanta si Rafael naman? Paano ba yan?
Yes!
Paano ba yan, Raf? Gusto na nila ikaw naman
From
daw.
Mexico.
Kaya mo yun.
Kaya, oo naman. Kaya. Pero mas gusto ko i-focus ang attention natin kay JK.
Ay, oo
Kasi
naman.
I'm sure maraming gusto malaman kung saan ka namin mapapanood, maabangan, or may show ka ba in the future, or in the near present, ano ba?
Future. Yeah. Ano po, I have a concert on February 20 sa Teatrino Promenade. JK birthday show, pero di ko lang po talaga birthday kasi tapos na mo birthday ko. So, pero malayo mo yun, so...
Kailan birthday mo?
Nakalimutan ko na. Feb 5.
Okay.
Belated, bro.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you!
And meron pang isang tanong.
Ano po?
May girlfriend ka na daw.
Wala? Wala po.
Kung wala pa, marami dyan, no? Sa mga nandito. Nandito yata, meron pwede, eh.
Wala po. Wala pa po yun sa isip ko.
Any last messages, bro, before we move on with the competition?
Ang huling mensahe ko para sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pag-imbita sa akin dito sa school. MMK. So, yun! Thank you everyone! Ay-ayatan ko kayo! Tama! May energy pa ba? Ay-ayatan ko kayo! Bye-bye! Love you!
Thank you so much once again. Let's give it up for JK Trabajo, ladies and
Mag-iingat
gentlemen.
ka. And happy birthday ulit sa'yo.
Salamat.
Bago po ako umalis, saan po papuntang backstage?
Backstage, dyan sa likod, tapos
Joke.
mag-kiss ka.
Comedy to.
Wow, grabe. Ang